Hallelujah! It's year 2020 Synod of Ijebu Southwest Anglican Diocese, the first session of the fourth Synod. During year 2019 Synod, God spoke to us.
Gluttony, from God's perspective, is the stomach in control of the mind. When your stomach is what controls your mind, you are gluttonous. Proverbs verse 13, verse 25 says, "The just man eats his fields and stop. The godless craves, but never has enough." I put it to you, does food rule your spirit? Do you have enough? That is a sure sign that God is not in total control of your life. Gluttony apparently is a very sensitive nerve in many Christian lives today. Men and women who take more than they need or require.
And now, God has come to us this year in another dimension with another synod thing, which says, "Until Christ be formed in us." From Galatians chapter 4, verses 18 to 19. This year's synod will come up between Thursday 27th and Sunday 30th of August 2020 at the Cathedral Church of St. Paul, Ododbolu. The diocesan bishop, the Right Reverend Dr. Babatunde F. Arogunbanwo, will officially open the synod on Friday 28th of August 2020. Lectures, sermons, symposium, prayers, and many more. During the synod, we expose us more on the theme of the synod. At the synod, there are protocols to be followed to avert the spread of COVID-19. Number 1, wash your hands frequently. Number 2, always wear a face mask. Number 3, maintain a social distance while sitting in the church and hall. Number 4, have a small bottle of sanitizer in your pocket and sanitize your hands at intervals. Our Father, the Right Reverend Dr. Babatunde F. Arogunbanwo, the Lord Bishop of the Anglican Diocese of Ijebu Southwest, is the convener, while Group Captain Barrister Bola and Chief Mrs. B.C. Shotumbo is the host. This year's synod will refresh your spirit, body, and soul. Announcer, Year 2020 Synod Committee, powered by the Diocesan Media Unit.